Welcome to Rio de Janeiro Airlines. Today, we're making a picanha steak, an essential part of Brazilian barbecue cuisine. First, let's put the meat on the table. Tap to unwrap the foil. Now let's slice up the meat. Tap one. While the meat is grilling, let's add some quin dip. Great! Now tap here to fill the dispenser with grapefruit juice. Get some glasses. Drag one into the dispenser. Wait until the glass is full. Great. Drag it on the tray. The steak is done. Tap here. Place it on the tray. Great. You're ready to go.
Over here. Hello. Delicious. Hello. Woohoo.
Attention passengers, we will be landing shortly.
Thanks.
Delicious.
Thank you.
Yes, please.
Attention passengers, we will be landing shortly.
Thank you.